Before using Mockup, we have to find Mockup, which we can get for free. There are many websites for this, one of which is Freepik.
In this comprehensive tutorial, you'll learn how to add your logo to a mockup using Adobe Photoshop in 2024, whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer. This step-by-step guide will show you the best techniques to seamlessly integrate your logo into various mockup templates.
We'll cover everything from selecting the right mockup to fine-tuning the placement and blending options, ensuring your logo looks professional and eye-catching. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to elevate your branding projects and present your designs in a stunning way.
Join us as we dive into the world of logo mockups and enhance your graphic design portfolio. How to add logo to mockup.
Adding a logo to a mockup in Photoshop is way easier than you think, and I'm going to show you how to make it look professional in just a few minutes.
First, I turn to Illustrator. Here I will show you the logo of my YouTube channel when the logo design is ready. I will teach you how to use it on Photoshop mockups.
Here I am taking a black background. We will lock this black layer by going to the layer panel and then start working on it.
Since I will be using white and red colors in my design, I have taken a black background.
Here I name my channel. I will write HLGRAPHICS. And I will also write my name. My name is Humaira Laique. By combining these two things, I will create a design.
Here I have selected a very beautiful font for this. You can see its name. Many designers struggle with integrating their logos into mockups, often leading to unprofessional results or frustration. We'll walk through the process step by step, covering how to choose the right mockup, importing your logo, and adjusting it for a perfect fit. The most exciting part will be when you see your logo seamlessly integrated into the mockup, showcasing the power of your design skills. We have now come to Photoshop. There is a very beautiful mockup in front of you. On the side of Layer panel, there is an icon here. You have to look at the arrow icon, double-click on it with mouse. As soon as you double-click, a new page will open in front of you. Now we go to Illustrator, and here we have our design. We'll drag it into Photoshop and resize it as we want to. Now cross the top layer, a box will open in front of you. Click on Yes. As soon as you do this, in a few seconds, your design will be placed on top of this logo mockup. You see how beautiful it looks. The same applies to a t-shirt mockup. Check out how I am using the t-shirt mockup and do the same. Any mockup, whether it is a business card, a building mockup, or a cat mockup, it is used in the same way. I've created several videos showcasing different mockup designs, and I encourage you to check them out for valuable insights. Some of the mockups I've worked on include t-shirt mockups, bag mockups, cape mockups, business card mockups. You'll find a wealth of information in these videos, covering various mockup techniques. I highly recommend watching them to explore creative ways to enhance your designs using mockups. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and design tips.